Hey, it's John from Home Services, and we just finished up another pool project where we've done tons of landscaping and built a brand new pool located in Oakville. And right now I want to talk and explain the differences between the different types of pools. This is probably one of the most frequently asked questions which we get from our clients is which pool is the best and which pool will suit me the most. And the reality is it really depends on your wants and needs and what you're trying to achieve in your backyard, what's the total budget you have in a backyard, as well as other types of fixtures you're trying to get within that budget. So what you see behind me is the best type of pools which you could possibly have, and that's a fully concrete pool with the best type of interior finishes. But reality is your choice of pool will really depend on your wants and needs. So the advantages of a concrete pool is probably the biggest amount of customization. If you're looking to have a super deep end, or if you're looking to have a pool which you're going to be using year-round, if you're looking to have a lot of custom finishes inside, for example, you can have your last name embedded with tiles inside of a deep end of a pool or shallow end of the pool, where you want to have a lot of different angles and transitions, or you're looking to build a generational house where a pool could last you 100 years, concrete pool is probably a way to go. The difference between a concrete pool, vinyl pool, and a fiberglass pool, number one, starts with how it's built. Concrete pool has a concrete at the bottom, concrete on the walls, concrete all the way around. Vinyl pools would typically have steel walls and a concrete floor as well as concrete exterior. Fiberglass pool will have fiberglass on all sides. That is the first differentiator of how those pools are built. Secondly is the interior material which is used on any type of swimming pool project. On a concrete pool, you would typically finish the entire pool with either tile or a combination of tile as well as material which is called marblite, which is essentially a powder from different types of natural stones, whether it's marble, granite, or quartz. And then using special bond of cement and other chemicals, this mixture will be getting installed inside. Most of the resorts will have a marblite finish as well. So if you're going to any hotel and you're touching the floor of the pool and it has a really big textured finish, that is probably one type of concrete pool. A fiberglass will be fully finished off with fiberglass from the interior and exterior, and a fiberglass example would be boats. Most of the boats are actually built with fiberglass, and that's a good differentiator of a fiberglass finish.